Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yunita Alfianti. I'm from grade 11 Science 4, episode number 36. Here, I will tell you how to make iced Chocolatos Soklat. Happy watching! But before that, I will convey the material and tools that I will use to make it. The ingredients that I will use to make this drink are 2 chocolate sachets of Chocolatos Drink, first milk, ice cup, 70 ml or 10 tablespoons of hot water, and then Chocolatos Wafer. The tools I will use include glass cup, spoon, and bowl. And then how to make it is follows. First, put 2 sachets of chocolate flavored Chocolatos Drink powder into a bowl. And then add 70 ml or the equivalent of 10 tablespoons of hot water. And stir until all the Chocolatos powder dissolves and is well blended. Like this. Prepare a glass cup. Then pour the Chocolatos drink slowly. After that, add enough ice cup. Then slowly pour the fresh milk into a glass. For the topping, I will use the Chocolatos Wafer. Crush the Chocolatos Wafer and sprinkle on the top. like this. Finally, as Chocolatos Soklat is ready to be enjoyed. Yay! As Chocolatos Soklat, the chocolate taste makes you relax. You can also make this drink in your home. Good luck! Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you!